Welcome back to Quiz Cognito. Are you ready to put your math skills to the ultimate test? In today's grade 6 challenge, we've lined up 50 fun and tricky subtraction questions designed to stretch your thinking and build your confidence. Can you solve them all? Stick around until the end for the final challenge and prove you're a math genius. A huge thank you to you, our amazing viewers and commenters, for your constant support. You mean the world to us. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss out on more exciting math challenges. All right, let's jump in. What is 9 minus 4? The correct choice is A. That's 5. Can you subtract 6 from 12? Option C is right. It equals 6. What is 15 minus 7? Go with option D. The answer is 8. Take 9 away from 20. Option D is correct. That comes to 11. If you are enjoying this subtraction math challenge, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subtract 3 from 8. The right answer is B. It gives 5. Word problem. A car travels at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour for 2.5 hours and then at 80 kilometers per hour for 1.5 hours. What is the total distance traveled? What is 0.9 minus 0.4? Option D is correct. You get 0.5. Subtract 1/4 from 3/4. Option A is right. The result is 1/2. What is 18 minus 10? Correct answer is B. That makes 8. Take 5 away from 14. Option B is correct. The result is 9. What is 7 minus 2.5? The right choice is B. That's 4.5. Find the missing number in the sequence. Subtract 15 from 27. Option C is right. You're left with 12. What is 36 minus 18? Answer is B. It equals 18. Take 28 away from 45. Option A is correct. That leaves 17. What is 52 minus 39? Correct answer is D. The result is 13. Can you subtract 25 from 63? Option C is right. That comes to 38. Solve this equality. 100 minus 47 equals what? Option A is correct. That gives 53. Subtract 2.5 from 8.5. Answer is A. You get 6. What is 5.5 minus 2.5? Option B is right. That makes 3. Subtract 33 from 90. Correct choice is C. It equals 57. What is 72 minus 46? Option B is correct. The answer is 26. Find the total surface area of this cone. Subtract 86 from 125. Option A is right. That comes to 39. What is 150 minus 75? Correct answer is C. That's 75. Subtract 125 from 200. Option B is correct. The result is 75. What is 2 3/4 minus 1 1/4? Option B is right. That's 1.5. What is 6.4 minus 2.9? Correct answer is A. That equals 3.5. Take 149 away from 250. Option C is right. The result is 101. What is 385 minus 196? Answer is B. That comes to 189. Subtract 278 from 420. Option C is correct. That leaves 142. What is 9.5 minus 4.5? Option A is right. You get 5. Subtract 2/3 from 1.5. Option C is correct. The result is 5/6. What is the volume of a triangular prism with a base of 12 meters, a height of 16 meters, and a length of 20 meters? Use the formula. What is 512 minus 368? Correct answer is B. That's 144. Subtract 297 from 845. Option B is right. You're left with 548. What is 923 minus 578? Option A is correct. That equals 345. Subtract 875 from 1,200. Answer is A. You get 325. What is 1,500 minus 799? Option B is correct. The result is 701. Word problem. A bag has 4 red, 3 blue, and 5 yellow balls. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. What is the probability that both balls are red? Subtract 1,250 from 2,000. Option B is right. That's 750. What is 3½ minus 1 3/4? Option B is correct. You get 1 3/4. Subtract 3.25 from 8.25. Answer is A. The result is 5. What is 1,750 minus 986? Option B is right. That leaves 764. Subtract 1,475 from 2,250. Option C is correct. The result is 775. Subtract 0.9 from 9.9. Option A is right. You get 9. Subtract 1/3 from 3/4. Option C is correct. The answer is 2/5. What is 2,500 minus 1,890? Option C is right. That makes 610. Subtract 2,675 from 3,000. Answer is B. That leaves 325. What is 7.5 minus 2.25? Option D is correct. The result is 5. Subtract 2,999 from 4,000. Option A is right. That equals 1,001. What is 6,250 minus 4,875? Answer is A. The result is 1,375. Subtract 6,999 from 8,000. Option A is correct. That's 1,001. What is 1 minus 2/5? Option C is right. The answer is 3/5. Subtract 1 1/3 from 2 2/3. Correct answer is B. You get 1 1/3. Thanks for joining this grade 6 subtraction practice quiz. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun quizzes, and hit the bell so you never miss a challenge. See you in the next math adventure.